Hello viewers, welcome to yet another video of unboxing currencies. This is the white color packet which is received from Navish Karir, Ludhiana, Punjab on date is 27th April 21. Aditi, let's unbox this, okay?
This was the nicely packed white color envelope we have received. This is the front of the envelope and this is the back of the envelope. Come on, let's unbox this. These were the currencies that my father had received in this package, and this was the bill, and this was the bill I have received from the seller. These are the currencies. Come on, let's see one by one. Okay. This is the Nigerian currency of 500 Naira. This is the 25 Bangladeshi taka commemorative issue of Bangladesh. Silver Jubilee of the Security Printing Corporation, Bangladesh, 1988 to 2013. This is from Libya. You can see Muhammad Gaddafi on the obverse, and the reverse is the mosque. This is the fine angle drum of Bhutan. They gave predominance of a zong or the fortress in Bhutan. So on the reverse is the zong or the fortress Paro Zong, and on the obverse is the dragons. This is the 25 goddess of Haiti. This is the 100 Bolivianos of Bolivia. This is issued by the Central Bank of Oman. This is the 100 baisa of Oman. This is the 5 euros of Peru. This is again from Kenya. This is the 20 Kenyan shillings of Kenya. This is a very beautiful banknote of Ecuador. This is the 5 sucrose of Ecuador. This is 1 rupee of Nepal, King Gyanendra issue. This is 1 pound of England. This is a commemorative edition of Sir Isaac Newton's birth anniversary. This is the 100 pesos of the Philippines. This is a commemorative edition celebrating the centennial of Iglesia in Cristo. This is the 200 liras of Italy. This was the currency before the euros were introduced in the European organization. This is the Bangladeshi taka before Bangladesh was established. This was the currency issued by the State Bank of Pakistan for Bangladesh. You can see Bangla language is being written on the banknote. This is the 10 Saudi Riyal of Saudi Arabia. This is the 100 Pakistani rupees of Pakistan. This is the 100 Bangladeshi taka of Bangladesh before became independent from Pakistan. This was issued by the State Bank of Pakistan. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.